How to delete Threads account. So in order to delete the Threads account, you can click on these two lines right here. And then from there, click on the accounts option. So for this one, you can see all of the settings right here. So what you can do is you just click on this other account settings option, and you can see in here that it will actually direct you to Instagram. So if you want, you can just delete your own Instagram or deactivate it as well. Just click on these three lines, click on the account center. Now from in there, just click on your profile, then click on your Instagram, and then from in there, you can just click on your Instagram right here, and then you can just input some profile infos as well. And also click on the personal details, and then just click on the account ownership and control and the activation and deletion. Just choose right here Instagram. So if you deactivate or delete your Threads account or your Instagram account, it will also do so onto the Threads. So that's how you delete Threads account. Hope you help.